Hey, young historians, Mr. Moran here, and today we're going to learn about President Washington. So, George Washington is well known as our first president and the American general who defeated the British in the War of Independence. Nearly every American knows this. But Washington was also a farmer who grew many kinds of crops, including tobacco and wheat. Washington also harvested fish and operated a whiskey distillery on his plantation known as Mount Vernon. His experiments with new technology, and Washington was well known for his breeding of mules. But all of this could not have been accomplished without enslaving hundreds of people. Washington, like all other Southern plantation owners, enslaved people. These enslaved people had no rights and were considered property as if they were livestock. So below is a video about how Washington treated his enslaved people at Mount Vernon. It's a short video, so take a few minutes and watch this. And then once you get that done, you're going to learn some basic facts about George Washington, and you're going to get that information from a short fact sheet about Washington, and you'll complete a quiz. And so you'll go over to the questions here, and the fact sheet looks something like this. It's not dense reading. It's broken up into different sections here, and then there's a page 2 in the blue area, and there's a few questions you're going to answer as it pertains to Washington. And please understand, this is a quick overview over Washington. He was a very complex individual. So anyways, watch that short video on the enslaved people at Mount Vernon, and then answer the questions for the quiz, and you'll find all the answers on this handout that I created for you. If you have any questions, ask your teachers or speak to someone during office hours. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.